Hey, this will be a video chart on LCRE. Did this one not yesterday, but the day before, and I talked about how essentially, the chart was making a nice little tight pattern, and we had put in, another higher low right here. The volume was acting nice in terms of during this pullback move, having the volume drop off, and pretty much just was talking about how a potentially a big move could be coming. If you want to go back and review that video, just search back through my videos and you'll be able to see it. It's only a couple days old. So here we are now, just a very nice day today, actually up 100% right on the dot. So, congratulations to everybody that noticed this breakout. But the key level that I talked about for the breakout not only was broken today, but pretty much shattered. This had been the previous resistance at 0.001. But now you can see it was just hammered, and the bulls took no mercy on it, which is fine, I'm sure, with everybody. But now, with that being broken, it has now turned into a support level. So 0.001 is now going to be the key support, where ideally this is where we want to see the price hold. Don't want to see it drop below there. Now, technically, I'd say it can, because what we also have now below us is this green line here, and this is the 200-day simple moving average. And for anybody, or for everybody that pretty much uses charts, they know that this is one of the key moving averages that everybody uses, so therefore it does kind of contain a self-fulfilling type prophecy with it. So yes, 0.001, it could technically fall and the chart could remain bullish from the daily chart perspective, but this is going to be the key level that needs to hold. Right now the 200-day is valued at 0007. So basically 0007 is the must-hold level, and if you look at where it closed today at 0.0018, down to 0007, that's quite a hefty fall percentage-wise. So it would only make sense that something's just not right if the price weren't able to hold down here. In terms of resistances now, it's pretty hard to say. Like I said in the last video, or the last time I did this, I'm still not sure if this is a fat finger trade or not. But let's just, for argument's sake, let's say it's not. Let's say the price actually did run up here. Well, if that was the case, then right now I'd feel safe in calling this a blue sky breakout, just because there aren't any other resistances besides on the chart that you can really pull up. So the good thing with blue sky breakouts, the price can just keep going and going and going. The bad thing is it's kind of hard to judge when may be a good time to take profits. So you kind of got to use your gut instincts on it. But besides that, that's really the only downside to a blue sky breakout. Everything else, is a pro. So just use your instincts, and if you're feeling like as you watch level 2s, or if you feel like maybe you should take some profits, and just do it. But like I said, you can't really use the assistance of any resistance levels or anything. Not even for moving averages, because we now even have the 200-day below us. All the other ones are already. So, use those gut instincts, use those level 2s. And the last couple things, check out these moving averages right here. We have this pink, which is the 10, this red, which is the 20, and this white, which is the 50. Look how they're all sloping upwards in unison, have nice space in between them. This is just a great example of a nice medium-term trend that is clearly upwards. Depending on your strategy, maybe you could even consider this a long-term trend. But either way, just a very beautiful trend. And then today, volume acted just like it needed to. The price broke up out of this pattern, and you saw a volume increase, and it was higher than the consolidation volume. So volume is right on cue, acting exactly like you would want to see it. So I guess in a nutshell, chart's looking very good. But at the same time, make sure you watch these support levels, and as long as the bulls can maintain those and you have healthy pullbacks like this. So I know people are bummed out during these days, but great example now of what a healthy pullback can do for a chart. Made a big move, let profit takers out, and then the bulls took it to a whole nother level. So sure, it can get discouraging on red days, but remember, as long as support levels hold like it did here, then in the grand picture of things, it'll be healthy. So if there are any other questions, though, on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it's all free. We've been making some good money together on our picks. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One last time, this was LCRE. Thanks for listening.